Tonight we're going to tuck cardigans, and I want to show you some fabrics that would be great cardigans. Our cardigan that we're going to use tonight, 915, is called Hugo's Favorite Cardigan, and the beauty of that pattern is it allows us to mix wovens and knits together. So this beautiful eyelet, which typically couldn't be a cardigan, can be, because you can use it just for the front piece. This is 100% cotton, so current, so stylish for today. It's just gorgeous, just a black, and then we combine it with a really pretty black knit. This viscose is 100% viscose. The whole thing could be this, and it's adorable. It could be turned different ways. This has got two-way stretch. So this is 100% viscose knit. It's got stretch in both directions. Great drape, beautiful piece of fabric. Then I put in here a stretch woven black. Sometimes with a stretch woven we get a little more dressy feel, and this is beautiful. This is a cotton poly blend, but boy, it just feels and drapes like 100% cotton. Just stunning, beautiful, and of course it blends beautifully with this panel. And this is 100% cotton. It's an Italian cotton. It's actually a stretch woven. The black is a stretch woven, and so is this one. And you can see this panel is going to be 25 inches wide. And it goes from the color, that strong line is the end, but all of this, and I think it'd be just adorable either as a short little cardigan or a jean jacket, where you could really piece all these pieces together and get some of these blanks in there. Just adorable for spring. It could also be turned this way and be partly like a little sheath dress, a shorter sheath. It's just so cute. And again, 100% cotton, and that's Italian. And then this is a viscose knit, a light pink. Look how pretty those are together if you decide you can use them together. This has stretch in both directions. Great drape, beautiful piece of fabric. Again, in this baby pink, what we know is it's just super duper for spring. And then we have a dual border, and I just love borders, you know that. But so we have a border on one edge. This is 100% cotton, beautiful, beautiful piece of fabric, great drape. It has borders on both directions, and they are directional, so they're turned one way or another. But I used it on the cardigan I have on. You're going to see it tonight in my YouTube, and it's just adorable. It's just great. So 100% cotton, woven, just gorgeous fabrics, and we're happy to bring them to you. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.